Joe.
That's gonna be good.
Can I ask you a question? I have a copywriting agency, and I really want to level up my copywriters. I mean, you've done a great job leveling up the team. You have just one tip of how to level up my copywriters and get, increase their writing skills so there's less revision, there's more quality.
How are you getting your copywriters now?
So right now I'm getting them through referrals of other, copywriters who have people who have worked for them, and they're just kind of elevating them up to me. So they're saying, okay, at this point, I don't want to. I have some people who've done my course and this and that. Joe, would you mind having them on your agency so they can get more work that they can do? And I say, yeah, sure. I'll try them out. And then, they're at a good spot now, but still lots of revisions, still a lot of work, being done on that. And I would love to level them up so there's less revisions and more speed, but the quality maintains.
How long have you been training?
I don't do much training. The only training back and forth is they'll send me what they have. I'll shoot a video and go over.
My first copywriting, my first high income skill is copywriting.
Yeah, I know that.
That's my first skill. So I totally get it. I actually, at one point, I had a group of copywriters that I was working with. That I bring to the client, like if they want high-end packages, I write. So I have a lower tier that I outsource. So I totally get your model. So whatever you're experiencing, I don't do. Very simple. You do not want that critique back and forth. It will never get good.
Okay.
Because it's not very formulated. So what you want to do is you want to take what you know into a very systematic formula. So it's not just, hey Joe, why you do this? You have what you do. You just do da. Because it's unconscious confidence for you.
Right.
To them, they will never get it. It's like you see Bruce Lee doing his thing. Well, how does he do his thing? You need to break it down into so detail. Then you put people through this process. So let's say they go through basic training. You gotta have a level 2 and level 3.
Okay.
Right. So let's say you have a training on here's how you do hook and story messages. Here's a module on just headlines.
Okay.
So and then what happens is your copywriters you have some copywriters are very good with landing pages. You have copywriters who are very good with email. You have copywriters who are very good with Facebook ads. Then you drill down. You guys only do fucking Facebook. I don't want you touching anything else.
Right.
And you only drill them into that.
Okay.
Then you have a group of talents.
Perfect.
Right. Then you can scale.
Amazing.
Yeah, because if you critique back and forth, they're not going to grow.
Oh, that's awesome. That's exactly what I need. Thank you, Dave. You're the man. Can I get a picture of you?